If you're wondering if you can lock apps with passwords on Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. From there, we can navigate to security and privacy and enter more security and privacy options. Inside, there's a secure folder. If we enter it and also perform a setup for it, I've made a video dedicated to that. If you want, you can watch it. We can click on this plus button and add the apps. So if I select, for example, Chrome and add it right here, I'll be able to access this version of Chrome and only to a secure folder, which requires a password to unlock. But there's still normal Chrome on my home screen, so that means you will basically clone this app. You'll have two versions of that app, one in secure folder that is protected by password and one that is not. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.